Hey everybody, I am Caitlin from Knot and Thread Design, and I'm excited to introduce the newest pattern in the Knot and Thread pattern library, the Sunshine Sisters Handbag. I am so excited about this pattern because I've dreamed of doing a pattern this style since I was first writing patterns, because I had a bag similar that I carried all my nail polish in from the time I was about 14 years old. And I loved making it in multiple sizes because it's so functional that way. So I just want to give you a quick overview of the pattern and all the features that it has so you are familiar with what you're getting. So the pattern comes in a paper version or a PDF version, both available on my website. And there's templates for the bag shape, and then it's in the similar format as the rest of our patterns. When I was naming this pattern, I was so excited because there's 3 sizes and I have 2 sisters. So there's 3 girls in my family. And so I was like, oh, it would be so fun to do something around my sisters because it reminded me of the biggest sister, the middle sister, and the little sister. So that's where the name comes from, Sunshine Sisters Handbag. And they're so fun because they nest right inside each other. So this is the largest size. And then we have our medium size and our small size. So these are the size difference of these bags. And then I wanted to show you a little bit about the inside. So one thing is that the zippers are double slide on the top, and so they open really wide on the top so you can access your items inside that you need. And inside there are mesh pockets that have the fold over elastic binding on the top. And as you sew them in, they'll be divided. And so you have 6 inside pockets available to you to use in each of the bags. So this is the smallest size. And so I wanted to show you, we have mesh fabric and fold over elastic in our shop. And I think it comes in about 14 colors in mesh and 14 colors in elastic. And they all coordinate together if you'd like to do the same, or if you like to have a contrast color on top of your mesh. So you can grab those there. Using mesh as your pockets is so great because it's so thin and it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk into your seams when you're sewing the whole bag together. I wanted to just show you a quick use of each of these bags because I don't know if you're like me, but I'm like, okay, that's a cool bag, but what do I use it for? So I wanted to show you some of my favorite uses for this so far. My number 1 favorite is the little one, and I'll show you what I have hidden in here. If you happen to have one of these little Oliso travel irons, it fits perfectly, which makes me so excited because I go on lots of sew days and I always want to take my iron, but I always worry about it dropping or not having a safe place to put it. So one of these irons will fit perfectly inside the little one. In the medium size one, I put all of my necessities for a sew day. So I'll just quickly show you what I've got in my bag. I have my Wonder Clips because I can't go anywhere without my Wonder Clips. A little ruler, my label bin because I have to have my labels. I can't forget to not sew a label in my project. And then inside the pockets, I slipped a marking tool, a hair marker, a seam ripper, a rotary cutter, a stiletto, my little travel tin of pins, and you need some scissors, mini scissors, tube turner, and then this is something I always have next to my sewing machine that I love to take with me when I go sewing as well. This is the little cell phone holder. So it's necessity when I sew. So I love that I could fit all my necessities for a sew day here. And it definitely could fit more too. There's plenty of space for it to carry more than just these items here for a sew day. I think it would be great for a makeup bag as well, especially that size. And then I thought about when I travel, I don't blow dry my hair a lot, but I know lots of people do. My hair is fine, so it dries very fast. But I wanted to see if my blow dryer would fit in here. So this is my hair care bag, perfect for all the hair care things. You could store it like this in your home or when you're traveling. So here's my blow dryer, curling iron, and then I brought, all my hair products, my travel shampoo and conditioner, my hairbrush, combs, hair clips, and all of that fit in here with also room to spare. So I think it would be great. I thought about showing you my daughter's vast collection of dinosaurs because I think that may be what we use one of these for in our home because, yeah, I think it would be great to hold your kids' toys as well. So that's just a quick overview of the pattern, and we carry the webbings in our shop. I always love to embellish the bags with little tags. I made sure to add them to all of these ones here because it's fun to be able to sew it right into the handle. But I hope you'll check out the Sunshine Sisters Handbag. And on the website, like I mentioned, you can get the PDF pattern, the paper pattern, and then we also have finishing kits for all the products that you'll need to make this, except the fabric. So you'll just add your fabric and you can have all the supplies you need.